did it again. It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon.
Welcome back to the video, man. Welcome back to another banging video, man. As you guys see by the title, we're gonna be doing something a little different.
We are going to be doing what the accent challenge. So basically, my boyfriend here is Jamaican and I'm American. So I'm gonna give him some words and he's gonna say it in his accent. Basically, is what we're gonna do.
Let me say this real quick. A long time with that, you know, so I remember all of that sitting here.
Yeah.
I've been here too long, so when I'm gonna learn those words.
He a yardie boy.
Man, what?
You a yardie boy.
Yardie boy, yeah.
Yeah,
You said, she did call me Yankee, you said what?
Yeah, Yankee, that's what it is.
I ain't know that Yankee.
You a Yankee.
Nah,
yes,
I'm far from Yankee.
Nah, he a Yankee.
Y'all a Yankee.
You a Yankee.
I might not remember some of his words, but I never know Yankee.
He's a Yankee now.
If you guys want to remember his hat, man, a lot of people call me Bushy.
Y'all, his hair, I thought during this quarantine, us women were gonna be struggling, but Lord Jesus, I have seen too many guys that look like they just woke up and just went out the house. That's how they look. Just woke up and
it's gonna stay like that for the next couple months.
I have never seen this stuff. Like, I like this beard.
Bro,
I've never
I got
seen
a whole, my sideburns.
His sideburns actually grew out, y'all. I've never seen his sideburns.
Because she doing too much shit.
Okay.
You guys, yeah, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and the notification bell on, and yeah.
Okay, guys, so the first word is going to be like, go to the back of the house and get me something. Say that whole thing. Go to the back of the house.
Oh, so you want me to repeat what you say? Yeah,
go to the back of the house and get me something.
Got the back of the yard and get me something.
Go to the back of the house and get me something.
Got the back of the yard and get me something. What? What's funny?
Go to the back of the house and get me something.
I just said it.
Okay, say it again.
I'm gonna do this all video, bro.
His accent is so funny.
Got the back of the yard and get me something.
Not yard, house.
So you want me to say the word house then?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Or say how y'all say it.
Got the back of the house and get me something.
Go to the back of the house and get me something. Okay.
Got on the west side and get me something.
What?
Got on the west side and get me something.
Go over there, something and give me something.
Got on the west side and get me something. Say that again.
Go over there, something and give me something.
Got on the west side and get me something.
Go over there, something and give me something.
What? Got on the west side and get me something.
Go over there, something and give me something.
Well, we got the next question because you're speaking Chinese.
Okay, store.
Store.
Wholesale.
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 Yeah, wholesale.
Wholesale.
Supermarket. Wholesale.
Supermarket.
I know something like that.
Say it again.
Wholesale. Supermarket. Store.
Yeah.
8.
Okay. The next word is yard.
Yard. You stupid, bro.
You stupid. Okay. Say banana.
Banana.
No, say banana. Now say how y'all say it.
Banana.
Okay. Gay. Batiman.
Gay. Batiman. Bati boy.
So it's another word they use. What's the other word, babe?
Whatever.
You told me before.
I ain't seen shit.
Yes, you did.
Fish.
Yeah. Swimmers. No, that's what
Don't compare swimmers to batiman.
No, when you say okay, so gay for them is fish, batiman, and 100 other things. But the actual fish is swimmers.
Yeah, swimmers. We don't say fish because we say fish, it represents gay, you know?
Like, go give me some fishes.
Yeah, it means gonna get me some gay niggas. You know?
So they say give us. He told me that one time. He's like, "Man, I'm gonna go to the store and get some swimmers."
Swimmer.
I said, "How the hell you gonna go get some swimmers from the store?"
Snappers. From the stove.
The stove.
From the stove.
Whatever. Okay, I'll be back.
Soon forward.
That is nowhere near close. I'll be back. Soon forward. He told me that one time. I said soon forward. What? Soon forward. They say words backwards. Okay, where are you?
Where you there?
Where you there? It sound like whoop. How was your day?
Where you there?
Where you there? Okay, popsicle.
Kisco.
Kisco.
I think about it real quick.
Kisco. Why y'all say Kisco?
Why I say Kisco? Because it represent popsicle.
Like where that word come up at?
Where it come from? I don't know. We just, to be honest, I never see nothing called popsicles when I move here. So you know when you, what would I say? Okay, where would you get popsicle from? You just grew up and you just see it, right? Yeah. Like you already been there before you was born. Right? Yeah, that's what it's about too. Like we grew up and already see it.
Oh, y'all already know Kisco?
Not like, okay, for example, Barack Obama come for this word. You know, he's already been there. Until I move to America, y'all start calling popsicle. Like, popsicle?
Popsicle.
Like, literally.
Or cream pop.
The Kisco is like a popsicle to them.
Yeah. Okay, I.
Yay.
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 Okay, vagina.
Boom, boom.
Boom, boom. Hit the boom, boom.
Crotches.
Who?
Crotches.
Crotches.
Oh no.
Crotches?
Crotches.
Crotches?
Crotches.
Crotches. Okay, stink. Stink.
Stink. You're rank.
Like stinker.
You're rank.
You're rank.
You're funky. You're raw, my boss. You're raw.
Child.
Bikini.
Who?
Huh?
What?
What?
What is a child?
Picnic.
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 Picnic. It's more. It's other words, but I'm just saying picnic.
Oh.
Picnic.
Picnic.
Picnic. Not picnic.
So that's what you would call our child? Well, I'd be like,
picnic. Come on, answer.
Oh, really? Hey. You're irritating me.
Stop. Shit. You what?
You're irritating me.
You are bothering me.
You're bothering me?
Yeah,
So what does cha mean? Cha. Like girl, cha. He always say that to me like.
It's like, shit. No. It could be shit. What cha mean? Cha. It's like you
you be like
frustrated.
Cha.
Like frustrated kinda.
Oh, cause he said that to me all the time. So like what?
Cha. Like frustrated kinda, yeah.
Okay. What is water?
Water.
Water. Go give me some water.
Water. Water.
Water.
Water.
Water.
Water.
I say water.
Water.
Not water. Water.
Water.
Water. Okay, last word. How do you say girlfriend?
Girlfriend, we can't speak. Best we said it the same way. Girlfriend, I think you said it the same way. I'm a woman, my wife, wifey.
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 Catty.
Okay, that's all I have.
Catty. Wifey.
Alright guys, that's all the words I have. If y'all want to hear him say some more words, comment in the comment section below. If y'all want him to do words on me, comment in the comment section below.
Or we can do one way. I said a word, she got translated.
Yeah, we can do that too. If y'all want to see that, that'll be funny. If y'all want to see that video, let us know in the comment section below. Also, let us know which other videos y'all want us to see. I mean, y'all want us to do. If y'all want us to do some pranks on each other, like y'all have a specific prank y'all want to see, tell us in our social media accounts, like our separate account. Like mine is in the description, his is in the description. So tell us in our private social media accounts and we will do the pranks. Trust me, we will do them. Okay guys, make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed already, hit that like button, share this video, share our videos, let y'all people know that we funny or whatever. Tell them to come watch our videos. If they want to subscribe, they can subscribe. If they don't want to subscribe, then that's up to them. If they want to just watch our videos and watch our videos, it's fine too. But all right, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.